particular note, see this little cup? Look at the lid. It's the first time I have ever been in France where they have lids for to-go coffee. Finally, they're joining the US anyway. I don't know about the rest of the world. I don't think I've ever seen a to-go cup with a lid, even in Italy or England. Pretty impressed. had 2 bedrooms. And this is the 1 bedroom with a double bed. Of course, there's a little desk area with some books if you're a French reader. And then we have a bathroom here. Very comfortable bathroom here. And lots of hanging space, extra pillows, extra towels, lots of towels. And here is the lovely little kitchen. Come in, this is the little table that greets you, so you know you're home. And this is the big mirror we all use to get dressed in the morning, to make sure we're all tucked in. It's the lovely living room. It was the perfect place to curl up on the couch at night and watch watch a Netflix series that we actually binge watched while we were here. Definitely worth watching. So this is the living room, and this is the 2nd bedroom. We found it great to have the 2nd bedroom, not because Jeff was sleeping in here, but because he was using the bathroom in the 2nd bedroom. See if we can get a light on. There we go. So he was using this bathroom so that we didn't have to fight over the bathroom. In the bathroom is behind what looks like a closet. And of course on this side is another closet. The House of Molinard has been making perfume in Grasse, France since 1849, and this was their store in Nice. We originally went to Molinard because I wanted to take part in, they have a class where you can, they'll teach you to make your own perfume. It's an hour-long class and you make your own perfume. And unfortunately, I didn't know I had to make reservations ahead of time. They would have allowed us to come back later in the day, but we had dinner plans that night. So I ended up buying this bottle of ready-made perfume, obviously. It's Bel Air. and it includes a lot of the flowers that I would have put in the perfume if I made it myself, such as lily of the valley, rose, mandarin orange, jasmine. It's a flowery and also just a little woodsy perfume. I absolutely love it. So even though I wasn't able to make my own perfume, I can do that another time when we're in Nice. This was a great purchase. And so if you're ever in Nice and you want to do something fun, Molinard, which is one of the oldest perfumers in the world, in France, make reservations. The woman said that you can make reservations ahead of time online. So it's a fun thing to do. And, well, there you have it. So let me tell you about this beautiful statue. The fountain is called the Fontaine du Soleil. There are 5 bronze sculptures in the basin, and in the middle, of course, is the impressive marble Apollo. It's 23 feet tall. When the fountain was unveiled in 1956, the people of Nice were not impressed. His job, according to mythology, is to carry the sun across the sky every day, and he usually does this in a chariot pulled by 4 horses. But this Apollo didn't have a chariot, and the 4 horses were on top of his head, forming a sort of a crown. The spectators didn't like it. They claimed he looked like an advertisement for a popular automobile at the time, the Renault 4CV. And so people just didn't like the statue. The bigger problem was located further down on his body. A lot of the conservative inhabitants of the city thought that his manhood was too large. Some ladies thought it was too small. And college students, they started decorating it as a prank. So in an effort to calm the controversy, the sculptor took a hammer and chisel to his creation to reduce the size of the statue's offending member, and the operation earned him a new nickname. Now, instead of being called 4 horsepower, he's called the Virgin. The embarrassing surgery proved to be insufficient. It wasn't enough to satisfy the Catholic League of Feminine Virtue, the Women's League of Feminine Virtue, and he was still nude, as were the bronze statues. So the women got enough support that in the 1970s, the statue with his naked sculptures was totally dismantled, and everything was stored at the water treatment plant, and Apollo went to guard over the mayor's office for a short time before he was moved out of the city center to stand near a sports stadium where he was less likely to offend ladies. And he stayed there for about 30 years. In 2011, Apollo was reinstated to his rightful position in the center of Place Messina. And unfortunately, he's still a little less endowed than he was by his original creator. Funny story, isn't it? Next time, come with us and we will take you to the top of Castle Hill for the proverbial best view in town, all of Nice. Thanks so much for watching. We're so glad you came with us today. And if you're not a subscriber, now's your opportunity. Just click the little subscribe icon below the video. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed our little visit today. That way YouTube will show it to more people. Thanks again. We will see you next time.